Yeah, bro, I was suicidal. I was on antidepressants. I was fat. I was ugly. I wasn't happy, man. I wasn't happy, man. But I managed to get off of it now. And I go to the gym consistently and I love it. And I eat healthy now. You know, I wasn't in a good place, man. And I wasn't pretty to look at either. But alhamdulillah, you know, praise be to God, now I've had an amazing glow up. And people tell me around me, they say, wow, Adam, you look amazing now. And when I look at you then, wow, it's honestly amazing. When I look at you back then and back now, your glow up is incredible. That's what people say, you know, praise be to God, you know. But this thing, you need to realize this. This thing is what you need to realize. No one's going to cry for you, bro. No one's going to cry for you. You understand that? Nobody's going to cry for you, bro. You're here, you're sad, you're sitting down. Oh, I'm fat, man. Oh, I wish I wasn't this fat. Oh, I can't give up. I can't give up the food. It's just too nice. No one's going to cry for you, bruv. If you want to get fat, calm. Everyone's calm. You just be the fat guy. Calm. No one cares. You just be the fat guy. It's life. But if you actually want to change your health and you want to be attractive to your future spouse and you want to be happy in yourself, you want to be able to walk up the stairs without being out of breath, you need to make the hot choice. And you need to take yourself seriously. You need to believe in yourself a little bit, right? You need to stop wanting someone else to do it for you, to take the shortcuts. You need to realize nobody is going to cry for you, bruv. Nobody cares, bruv. Nobody's going to cry for you. You need to do this yourself. Because there's nobody with you behind closed doors, bro. It's just you in this mind and this machine you've been given to navigate the world. Okay, so you need to take care of it. You need to take care of it. You need to keep promises to yourself. You're the easiest person to lie to. You're the easiest person to lie to. And you justify things so much. Yeah, oh, it's all right to have this McDonald's. I ain't eating all day, you know. Shut up. You know the McDonald's isn't healthy. And you're using that as an excuse. You know you could go home and cook something and it will probably take just as much time as the time at McDonald's you were waiting for the food. You know, you could cook some chicken breasts. You stay home, cook some chicken breasts and some rice within 40 minutes and eat it. You know, you could easily spend an hour in a week just cooking, meal prepping loads of chicken and rice. But you don't. It takes what? 40 minutes to cook a chicken breast? And how long does it take to cook rice? Half an hour? You could just cook like a big tray of chicken breast in the oven and loads of rice and then put it into pots. It takes 1 hour and you got meals for the rest of the week, bruv. So don't chat to me about, oh, I haven't eaten all day, I'm eating this McDonald's now. No, don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bruv. But keep your promises to yourself. I want to lose weight today. I want to lose weight. I'm going to eat healthy today. And then you promise yourself. Ask yourself, Adam, are you going to eat healthy today, yes or no? Say yes. Say yes. Am I going to eat healthy today? Yes. Are you going to eat healthy today? Okay, that's the answer I was looking for. All right. It will also help you if you plan your meals, if you plan your workouts. Okay, so plan a push day, a pull day, a legs day, a day for cardio. You know, plan what meal you're gonna have what day. I'm gonna have chicken rice at this time on this day, this time on that day. You don't even need to write it down. Just have it in your mind that you're gonna do this on that day. Okay, it's Tuesday. On Wednesday, I know at 9 a.m. I'm gonna have a meal, chicken and rice. And then I'm also gonna have my next meal at 3. I'm gonna have chicken and rice again. Because I made a big batch on Monday or Sunday, whenever I had free time. Yeah, and then for dinner that night, I think my family's cooking dinner. So I'm gonna have what they eat, but I'm gonna have a little bit less rice on the plate, or I'm gonna have a little bit less curry on the plate. Okay? So that's what it is. Especially when you live at home and your parents cook food, it can be very high calories. You know, they can be a little bit inconsiderate of you trying to lose weight or trying to be healthy if they have different decisions in life. And what you need to do is you need to cut back on the type of food they're eating. sometimes, you know? So have less curry or have less rice on the plate, okay? Or even just ask them kindly, can I cook my own meals? I'm trying to lose some weight, you know? And I think they will appreciate that. I think they'll really respect you for making that decision that you're trying to lose weight. And they will facilitate that. The real muscle you build by losing the weight, by going to the gym, it's not these. It's not biceps. You don't grow biceps, bro. You're not growing your legs, your chest. This is the real muscle you're growing. It's your mind. It's your discipline. It's that muscle that when everything in your body tells you, I want this thing so much, so bad, I'm craving it. I'm like an addict, right? I want it so bad. Yeah? And you say no. That's strong. That's real strength. And that's the muscle you're growing. You're growing that muscle where you give up your desires, your worldly desires, to say yes to whatever you want. You're saying no and you're controlling yourself. In this life, you have to say no to so many things. Say no to so many things. You have to say no to so many things. And this is just another thing you have to say no to. And that's a reality you have to accept in this world. In this world, you have to say no to a lot of things. You have to say no to a lot of things. And that's where a lot of people fail. They say yes to too many things. But you have to say no. And there's no shortcuts. And nobody's going to cry for you. It's you. You got your own back. I can help you with a diet plan. I can make you a meal plan. I can make you a workout plan. But the real champion is you. If you need help, if you need creatine, if you need a workout plan, if you need a diet plan, drop a comment, drop a message, let me know. But I want you to get out there and kill it. Get out there and kill it.